I'm now going to cover using premium points. Premium points are prepay and used for special features such as faster repricing and performing additional searches. So now let's go to the premium points page on the left. Now these costs are specified for my specific billing plan, and yours may be different. The repricing frequency is in minutes, so this is my billing plan, and it allows me to select 120 minutes through to 15 minutes. There are some other features that I will demonstrate later that also cost premium points, but right now I'm going to buy 50 points for $1. Okay, so I've bought 50 points for $1. Now, if you subscribed through the eBay App Center, you won't actually have to go through PayPal. It will immediately charge you after you click the OK button. Okay, so now I've got some points. I'm going to go back to the main interface of Price Spectre. I'm going to increase the repricing frequency of my listings by moving these sliders on the left. Now, you'll notice that it will display a number at the top. This is your selected repricing frequency in minutes. Now you'll see that it displays points for the cost. Those are the number of points that will be charged per month for that listing. Now I'm going to slide it back down to the bottom, and as you can see it says STD, meaning standard repricing, and the cost has gone away. I'm now going to raise both listings to 15-minute repricing. At the top of the main interface, next to where it says Add Points, is your current usage in premium points. The number on the left is the number of points you are currently using per month. The next number is the total number of points you have. And the next number is the number of days before you run out of points. And if you ever run out of points, then all managed listings that are using points will be disabled and must be re-enabled after purchasing more points or reducing their cost to 0. Okay, so now I'm going to change the algorithm for one of my listings. I'm going to change it to page number 1, and I'm going to set X to 1 and Y to 0.01. This algorithm is the same as X lowest by $Y, with the exception that it will guarantee that your listing will not appear below result 25. This guarantees you are on the first page when sorted by price plus shipping on eBay. This is really useful if you want to target specific sellers or top-rated sellers. It also has a cost in premium points. So now I'm going to click on the Submit button to submit my changes, and you'll see that the listing has increased in cost. I'm now going to head over to the Behaviors page, and here I'm going to set the Exempt Sellers setting. This will allow me to specify sellers who will be exempt from filters like minimum maximum feedback, TRS status, and so on. And now I'm going to go back to the main interface. I'm now going to click on the Search Console for my memory listing. And I'm going to perform a search. Now as you can see, the seller M-Wave Jewelry is here in the results. Now I'm going to revise this, and I'm going to select top rated only, and I'm going to do another search, and as you can see that seller has disappeared. Okay, now I'm going to go back and I'm going to add their name into the exempt sellers list. And now I'm going to perform the search again. And as you can see, that seller has returned. Okay, I'm going to save and close this now. And as you can see, the cost has increased by 1 point. Okay, so finally I'm going to go over to the algorithm editor. So I'm not going to go into this in great detail, but I will mention that it allows you to write your own algorithms. If you write algorithms which perform more than one search, you will be charged premium points for each listing using your algorithm. The total cost is based on the number of additional searches being performed.